Jam with Kicha, strictly for kids. This is your host Kicha, and today I'm going to be unboxing this new Trikstix by Stic Company. It's kind of a tongue twister. Trikstix. This is hard when I did this before the video. Okay, so this is like a magic sketch pen. So as you can see here, there's a hidden color in every pen. Trick your friends with a touch of magic. Wait for 5 seconds. Use white color magic to get a new design. So you can use a magic pen, and then so as you can see here, use a white color changing pen to write a secret message on a blank paper. So like if you have a blank paper, you can write with the magic white pen, and then if you color it with one of these colors, black, green, purple. So when you want to write a secret message to your friend without knowing your other friend knowing it, you can just give your friend one pen and then write with a magic pen. So when he gets it, the friend doesn't know what the letter is. But then when your other friend gets it, he has the sketch pen. So when he colors it, voila, he gets the message. So that's the fun thing about this. So let's open this up. Last Sunday, I went for a movie, Captain Marvel. It was an awesome movie. When we came out, I went to hypermarket. Over there, I saw this. When I read the back, I was surprised because this could make magic colors from just a magic pen. And there are summer camps these days, so you can use this for the art section of summer camp. It is. And I have this book over here I got from Nickelodeon. And it looks through that. Whoa, this looks cool. Let's just check it out. Here it is, the magic pens. This looks awesome. So as you can see here, this turns into green. This brown turns into green. Green turns into purple. Red turns into yellow. Black turns into pink. And yellow turns into magenta. And dark blue turns into light blue. And these are the two magic pens. As you can see here, I think this one is for the mixing of colors, and this one is the magic pen. So let's try both of them and see. Book over here, and we can try it on. I'm going to write a secret message. Don't tell this to anyone. Jam with Kicha. So let's take this here. Stick this here. Take it out. Jam with Kicha. So as you can see here, you can see nothing, right? But then when you color it with a color like this, let's see what happens. As you can see here, it comes as Jam with Kicha. As you can see here, this looks so cool. Whoa, I love this magic. And I'm going to write one more thing that I love the most. I have a secret message to tell you all. I'll write it down now. Okay, done. Let's wait for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. You can see nothing here, right? But when we use the magic pen, the magic color pen, come on. As you can see here, subscribe to KichatubeHD. So please do subscribe. It will be a pleasure to me. This is Stic Trikstix from the Stic Company. And I really liked it. So I'll be using it in the future for a lot of things. So thank you for watching Jam with Kicha. After a few weeks, I'll be starting giveaways. So subscribe, hit the like button and hit on notifications. And I'm going to make a separate playlist for Jam with Kicha. So stay tuned. Bye boys and girls. Mwah.